full script with markers. Must be 1,200 plus words. Midnight, 3 months ago. Sarah had no idea that AI would change her life forever. She was just another busy professional trying to make ends meet and save for retirement. Little did she know, an AI-powered tax optimization tool was about to become her secret weapon. 030. Let's rewind and set the scene. Sarah, a 35-year-old marketing manager in San Francisco, was always on the lookout for ways to boost her finances. She had tried various personal finance apps, read the best personal finance books, and even consulted with a financial advisor. But nothing seemed to make a significant impact until she stumbled upon an AI tool that promised to optimize her taxes. 1 o'clock. The challenge was clear. Sarah needed to find a way to reduce her tax burden without breaking the bank. She had heard about AI stocks and how they were revolutionizing industries, so why not try for her taxes? She signed up for a trial version of the AI tool and started inputting her financial data. As she went through the process, she realized that traditional methods weren't cutting it anymore. 2 o'clock. Here's where it gets interesting. As Sarah delved deeper into the AI tool, she discovered a tax loophole that her accountant had missed. This loophole allowed her to save thousands of dollars on her taxes. But there was a catch. The AI tool required precise data entry and constant monitoring to ensure maximum savings. 3 o'clock. Things got complicated when Sarah encountered unexpected roadblocks. The AI tool flagged several inconsistencies in her financial records, which could potentially lead to an audit. Sarah had to meticulously review her transactions and correct any errors. It was a painstaking process, but she knew it was worth it. 4 o'clock. But the real surprise is coming. As Sarah continued to work with the AI tool, she uncovered more hidden opportunities for tax savings. She learned about deductions she wasn't aware of and credits she could claim. The AI tool even suggested investment strategies that could further reduce her tax liability. 5 o'clock. The climax arrived when Sarah filed her taxes using the optimized data from the AI tool. To her amazement, she received a refund of over $5,000. Her accountant was shocked and couldn't believe he had missed such a significant opportunity. 6 o'clock. The big reveal came when Sarah shared her success story with her colleagues and friends. They were amazed at how an AI tool could make such a difference in personal finance. Sarah became a champion for AI-powered tax optimization and encouraged others to explore similar tools. 7 o'clock. In the end, Sarah learned that sometimes the best personal finance advice comes from unexpected sources. She now uses the AI tool regularly to stay on top of her finances and maximize her savings. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day, and you don't want to miss the next one. 7:45 tomorrow. The Sisters' Revenge 3 months later. Do not miss it.